Okay, guys. So, I'm going to show you what I'm expecting for starting next week. I don't. This is not mandatory, so I want to go ahead and get that out of the way. This is not mandatory. Okay. Just know that instead of live sessions, if you would rather come to I'm going to call it Yearbook Help Desk days at Western, you can feel free to do that. So here's what I want you to do. So each week you will have this available to you. Okay. Um, each week will be listed here. So at the top, it'll have the date. And then right here, it says type your name in the appropriate box for the days you can attend each week. Questions? Call or text me at 502-526-3303. Okay. So please use my phone number. This will be really helpful to you. So if I scroll down a little bit, so I've blacked out obviously the days that we won't be meeting at the school. So um, if you can come on, I don't know why it says Saturday. Why does it say Saturday? This is supposed to be Wednesday. Let me fix that real quick. Okay, so Wednesdays and Fridays are going to be the days that you can come in and get my one-on-one help. Okay. I will only accept 8 people at a time. So if it fills up this Wednesday, you'll have to come on that Friday. So try to get to this as soon as possible if you're wanting to come up to the school. I suggest that you do, especially if you're having trouble or if you once we start really getting into our spreads, it would be beneficial to you to actually have me in person. That way I can walk you through it. Like we can be side by side and I can walk you through it. Okay. So at the bottom here, let me move there we go. Okay, so at the bottom here are my notes and my to do. So to do is write your name under the appropriate days. There are only 8 students allowed at a time. Done. And then the notes. So offered Wednesdays and Fridays from 1 to 3. So if we have a day off during the week, so like say we're off a Friday, then obviously that Friday we won't, and it'll be blacked out on that schedule. So like I think it's the week of the 28th. We don't have school that day. So therefore, next week or the 2 weeks from now, we'll only meet on a Wednesday. So only 8 of you all will be able to meet with me on that Wednesday. But next week, you'll have 2 different days that you can meet with me. Um, so 8 students at a time. I know I keep saying that, but don't don't add to anything on this other than your name. That's all you need. Um, you must wear a mask. You cannot come into school without a mask. Bring your own drink. No water fountains offered at this time. So you can't leave the cafeteria and go get a drink of water. I would bring a drink. It would probably be best if you brought a drink with a straw. Okay. And the reason I say that is because that way you can kind of lift your mask up a little bit and stick that straw underneath. You know, so keep that in mind too. If you don't have one though, just be mindful. But I don't want y'all to get like thirsty because you're sitting there for a couple hours and be like, oh my gosh, I really want something to drink, but you can't. I don't have anything to offer you. I'm not going to bring water bottles and I'm not going to do all that. Like I'll bring my own drink, um, but I won't have like a bunch to hand out to everybody. So bring your own drink if you get thirsty, and then you must bring your own Chromebook or your laptop, whatever it is you're using. Excuse me, and a charger. If you don't bring a charger and your Chromebook goes dead, there's really no way I can help you. Okay. The school might have some, but I don't know if we're able to like hand them to you to share them or anything like that. So, just make sure you have that stuff with you, for future reference. So at the bottom here, so each week you'll look at the same spreadsheet. The weeks are going to be listed at the bottom. So I have the first 3 weeks available to you. And you can go ahead and fill them all in if you want. So like okay, for the next 3 weeks, I want to come in on Wednesday between 1 and 3. Cool. Some of you have sports. So I'm going to use Blessing as an example because I know she's in volleyball. If you want to come up to school a little early one day before volleyball and stay till 2:45 until you need to be in the gym, okay with me. perfectly okay with me. You don't have to stay the entire time, but please note that you do need to have your own transportation. So if it comes down to it and you live pretty close to the school and you do need a ride, I may come get you if you need me to. But I want you to be okay with your parent first. So, um, just like a heads up to your parent that I'll be picking you up and dropping you off back at home. Or maybe you just need a ride there, but you can find a ride home. That's fine too. But we're ending at 3, so you'll have to be picked up by 3 o'clock. And if I stay for a game that day, so say it's next Wednesday, I meet with you all and we go from 1 to 3. We're done at 3 because I have to be over in the gym to take pictures of volleyball. So, um, you have to be picked up by then. And I won't be able to take you home until after the volleyball game is over. And you're not really supposed to stay for the volleyball game at this point. So I I would the only person that would be allowed to stay for the volleyball game, obviously, is if you play volleyball or if you're in charge of the volleyball spread. So Demaya is in charge of the volleyball spread. She will be with me on that day. So Demaya, if you want to come to school early that day and work with me on encore, you could do that. And I'm just talking to like a couple of y'all, but like that's it's just like off the top of my head. I know volleyball is like doing their thing. And then so let's see. That's all I really need you to know for this part. So I'm going to go ahead and post this week. That way it's available to you already and you can go ahead and fill it out. This should be good for early college. So if you're an early college student that hasn't really done much yet, this is prime time for you to be at school. Um, try to get there. Um, if you don't contact me via phone call or text message about getting picked up, and I'm not going to offer this all the time because I can't do this for everybody. I would love to. I do have a minivan now, so I could fit more of y'all in there, but I want to follow the CDC guidelines as much as possible because I don't want us getting in trouble. So I can maybe pick up 2 kids. I just don't want to drive too far out of the way because I already live in Shepherdsville, which is 30 minutes from school, which doesn't seem like far. But if I'm like going past the school and going downtown or going out like out in Iroquois area, like sometimes it can be kind of out of the way. So I want it to be like somebody that lives like around school. If you need me, I would be more than willing to come over and get you. So just let me know if that's something that you want to do and that's something you feel like is needed. I would be more than happy to do it. But just know that next week on Wednesday, I will not be able. Um, I won't be able to help take home. I can pick you up, but I won't be able to take you home on Wednesday. And I will kind of try to make those announcements too, each week of like what days I can actually pick kids up and take them home. So I can pick up Wednesday, but I won't be able to drive home. So just keep that in mind. Um, if you want to get a day with your friend, you better hurry up and figure it out and get your days signed up together. Just know that when we do go in the cafeteria, we have to be 6 feet apart. And if you're and charge your Chromebook before you come, that way it's not dying on you like at the table and you don't have to go sit on a wall and it's hard to hear me or whatever. I project pretty well, so it shouldn't be a problem. But so make sure you're filling this out. If you really need my help, like it would just be a lot easier if I could see your screen. So it's just hard to get y'all all on live session. You're saying I don't have questions, and then 20 minutes later you're like, oh, I can't get logged in, or I don't know how to add my layout to my background. And it would just this to me would just be way easier. I can walk over and you'd be like, okay, well, this is why this isn't working, and we can work our way through that. Okay. So and then you can pick my brain about like articles, and it would all of this would just be so much simpler if we were in the classroom. So that's why I'm setting this up. I got permission from Mr. Rayho, and I'm sure Mr. Sig would be fine with it. He's got access. They actually both have access to the spreadsheet, so they'll be able to see like who's signing up and who's coming to school and doing all those kind of things. So um, just fill this in, please. Please come to some of these, like at least one or two. Like you don't have to do it like all year long or anything, but um, I think once we get a good handle on everything, then I can start tapering off with this and just having everyone scheduled to come in and take pictures of sports and stuff like that. And the last thing, order of business is I'm going to contact Strawbridge today, I think, and just email the man and ask him about if you all are able to wear your drapes and your tuxedo tops. And maybe y'all can sign a waiver or something when y'all come in to do that. If not, I can ask Mr. Sig about caps and gowns, but there's a lot of issues with that as well. And I don't want your all's pictures to not be uniform. And I don't want them to be where everyone's just kind of wearing regular clothes because it's your senior year. You should be in one or the other. So I'm gonna figure that out for you guys. We'll figure out a game plan. I'm not. I'm not gonna take no for an answer. So we're either gonna be in one of the two things. I will make sure we're in one of the two things. I will throw a fit if I got to. So, um, I'm gonna go ahead and send this out. Please join. Please come up to school. Please wear your mask. I'll see y'all then.